Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this Samsung. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down and choose display section. Following that, scroll down again. Tap on easy mode over here. And click on this gray sweater next to easy mode feature. As you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to switch it off, just go into the same settings and tap on the same now blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!